Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you, of course. Today let me introduce you the TOZO HT2 Hybrid Active Noise Cancelling Headphones. Wireless over-ear Bluetooth headphones here on the go. 60 hours possible of playback time. High resolution audio custom equalizer wear app. And of course, we have deep bath, comfort fit ear cups for home, for office, for traveling, and so on. It's available on the market in black, blue, dark red, pink, purple, red, white, and khaki. Featuring a hybrid ANC algorithm and the 3 ANC microphones, the TOZO HT2 delivers exceptional noise control across a wide frequency range. Whether it's the roar of an airplane engine, a subway rumble, or the office chatter, it effectively minimizes noise interferences, ensuring an unparalleled listening experience. In addition, the excellent ANC call noise cancellation makes it possible for us to talk clearly even in a noisy street. And with up to 60 hours of listening time of these over-ear headphones in ANC off mode, of course, we can treble as much as other Bluetooth headphones if it is possible, because you have to switch off the ANC. A single charge gives us enough juice to listen to over 700 songs or soundtracks, multiple long-haul flights, no prob. Also equipped with a 3.5mm audio cable, we can effortlessly transition to a wire mode when the battery has run out, guaranteeing uninterrupted listening. Equipped with dual 40mm drivers, the TOZO HT2 brings us superior high-resolution audio sound with a well-balanced deep bass. This makes us have a better listening experience, of course. Plus, it breaks the single connection method. Support both wireless and wired connection. When with wired connection, the custom oversized 40mm dynamic drivers produce high resolution sound for extraordinary clarity and, of course, details. The HT2 uses ultra soft protein leather ear cups, which allows us to wear it for a long time without feeling uncomfortable. The earmuffs can also automatically adjust the angle to suit users with different head shapes. That's making them the ideal headphones to work from home or watch your favorite movies. An affordable and lightweight design allows us to fold and place the headphones anywhere. We can easily fold the headphones into carrying bags, travel cases, taking up less space in our backpack, which are perfect for traveling, sports, and everyday use, of course. And that's optional. We can enjoy different styles of the music with TOZO app, TOZO app, available in the Play Store and in the Apple App Store. It's offering a various selection of equalizers to tailor the sound to our preferences with the convenience of TOZO app. We can easily switch between different equalizers and enjoy our favorite music anytime, anywhere for the ultimate personalized listening experience, of course. That's cool. That's nice features. Because we have an excellent noise reduction. Whatever the roar of an airplane, a subway, or something else, we can effectively minimize the noise interferences with a hybrid ANC and with transparency mode, with a high quality sound, with an ANC mics, comfort fit, and 60 hours of enjoying. Yeah. The transparency mode, for example, we stay connected with the transparency mode everywhere. While exploring the great outdoors, activate the transparency mode to stay connected with our surroundings. Or we focus on work and study. Maintain focus in an office or crowded library. Uncompromised sound quality ensures us to stay on the task with the ANC microphone. and entertainment delight. We enjoy high fidelity sound for an immersive movie music, capture every detail of the sound caps. That's possible with a high resolution sound in RGIC Acoustic 2.2 technology. Ultra wide frequency response higher than 44.1 kHz that far exceed our hearing range, and the RH X Acoustic 2.0 technology achieves a perfect frequency response curve and lossless sounds. And coming in peace, babe, we start our day with the TOZO HT2, ensuring a peaceful morning commute in dusting dirt. Hybrid ANC makes it possible. 40 hours playback time with ANC on, 60 hours of playback time with ANC off. Ultimate endurance up to 60 hours. Personalized sound stage if we like. And a lot of colors are on the market. These are the TOZO HT2 hybrid active noise cancelling headphones. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give me positive feedback. I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.